First of all, choose the instrument you would like to investigate. We'll use the pound. Then, quickly, choose the event you would like to look at. And we're going to look at the Bank of England rate hike decision. And we can see here that, let's say, over the last 23 years, the pound tends to fall against the dollar into the decision and then gain as we move past the decision. The axis on the bottom of the chart is the days prior to the rate decision and the days after the rate decision, with the red line being the event. The axis on the left is just simply the price progression in percent. So this way you can sort and search through a whole range of different options using the event studies to see how certain instruments behave at certain times and in accordance with the event that's just taken place.